In this video, we are going to look at a regular expression look behind. There are two types of look behind in regular expression: positive look behind and negative look behind. Let us look at this Python code. In the first line, we defined a regular expression package, RE, Python regular expression package. Third line defined a string which contains 4 lines. 10th lines, we defined a dictionary which contains a key and a value. Basically, this up is a regular expression, a literal regular expression u and p, and the name key is the name of that regular expression. I gave simple regex as a name for that regular expression. 14th line, you can see a loop which iterates through the dictionary, and we will get a key and regex. 16th line, we print that key and regex. 18th line, we can see a regular expression substitute. Basically, what it is doing is look for the regex in the text and replace that part with star up star. So you can see here right now we have up is a regular expression. Let us run this code. Python look behind. Now you can see here we are looking for up. This is a up and it is replaced with the star up star. Here replaced, here that substitution happened, here also that substitution, one more substitution. So this is a normal symbol, it's a simple regex up. Done. Now let us look what is a look behind. First, we are going to look at a positive look behind. I will define one more regular expression. I will call it positive look behind. So what I want to do here is that I want to replace up which is preceded by put. Here you can see here up is preceded by put, and here also preceded by put. I want to target these two up and replace it with star up. So for that, what you need to do is that one, you need to define put here. And if you define like this regular expression means search for the regular expression put hyphen up, sorry, put space up. This is not up is preceded by put. There's a difference. Let us run it and check it how it works. Here you can see it is searched for the put up and replaced with up, that put gone. Here also you can see it is correctly targeting those two lines, first line and third line, because those lines are containing put up. So they are correctly targeting that one, but the problem is that one they are replacing put up with up. Basically what we want is that we want to replace up with a star up star. We want to target the up which is preceded by put. So here what we have done is that we are saying that search for the put up. This is not up is preceded by put. So for that, if you want to mention look behind, use a bracket question mark less than symbol, then use equal to and close that bracket. Now what we have done is that when we are started look positive look behind group you started and ended here, and we mentioned what is we want to look for put put space, that's what. So this regular expression means UP is preceded by put, and it will look for UP, this one, this UP, and it will replace with star UP. So let us look that one. Now you can see here put is already there, and it is replaced that UP. Basically there this regular expression is correctly identified UP which is preceded by put, this line and this line. Basically they have done look behind for put here. In this case they have done the look behind, positive look behind, this one, this also positive look behind. This is a symbol for positive look behind. Now we want to another one. Basically we want to look for UP which is not preceded by put. In this case is the positive look behind which is preceded by put, but we want next case we want negative look behind, negative look behind. In that case we don't want to put before UP. We want to search for all the instances where put is not followed by UP. Basically UP is not preceded by put, that's what you want. For that you replace this equal to with not symbol, that one, which means a UP which is not preceded by put. In this case this line and this line UP is not preceded by put. So let us run and check it. Now you can see here we correctly targeted UP which is not preceded by put, and here also UP which is not preceded by put. So let me summarize again. In this regular expression we are just searching for UP and replacing with star UP. So it will identify all the lines, this one, this one, this one, and this one, all the four. Now next we want to find out the UP which is preceded by put, and replace that UP with star UP. So we are telling that one we want to search for UP, but you need to make sure that one which is preceded by put. So that's why we got this one and this one. If we added only put space up, we will search for this entire thing and replace with a star UP. In that process we lose that put. That's why we said we don't want to search for the put up, but we want to search for UP which is preceded by put. Here the next is a negative look behind. We want to search for the UP which is not preceded by put. In this case this line and this line. That's all. Thanks for watching.